Open banking is going to create a new challenge for the customer about their willingness to want to share some of their most personal and private information. So customers have to be educated in terms of what are the benefits of sharing this information with organisations that previously would not have had access to the data. Some of them may be familiar brands, some of them might be very new and unfamiliar organisations. And having a brand is no guarantee of security, as we've seen over the last few years in terms of data breaches that have taken place amongst some of the biggest brands that we know. Remember, we've gone from a scenario whereby up until now your bank has said that your transaction information, your bank statement information should remain confidential to you and the bank. That's now changing, and the bank is now going to be mandated to give the option to share your data with other organisations. And that's a complete change in terms of behaviour. And that's a big challenge for consumers because this information is personal and very private. So consumers have got to be educated to the benefits, and organisations have a responsibility to actually demonstrate the value of sharing data and how it can help consumers and how it can inform and change their everyday lives. There are undoubtedly benefits that consumers will get from that in terms of better value products and services. But the challenge that will be faced as part of that is instilling confidence to allow consumers to feel confident in the security and the privacy that sits around the sharing of their data, to ensure that that data is not abused in any way, shape or form, and that there is no likelihood of it being breached or of being shared with organisations that they haven't given consent to share the data with. So consent is a fundamental part of this process. Consumers must be given very clear and transparent consent. They must be informed about what their data is going to be used for, and they must also have the opportunity to switch off and that consent at any point in time.